Good morning. How are you? Are you going to some open houses this weekend? Stop right there. Spend 10 minutes on a phone call to a lender this morning. There's two things that you're going to obtain in that 10-minute phone call. First thing is the budget. How much can you afford on your debt to income ratio? Okay? That's very important because we want to make sure we're shopping in the correct budget category. The second thing that you can get in just that 10-minute phone call is your pre-approval letter. This is your golden ticket that we will include with your offer when we do find your dream home, which could be this weekend when you go to all those open houses. Maybe you don't know a lender. That's okay. I know many lenders that I've worked with in the past. Give me a call and I can send you several different lenders for you to choose from. And I can give you lots of opinions on all those lenders. Also, my lender friends, I'm sure they'll be responding down below in the comment section. So let me know if you have any questions. And if you want to go shopping this weekend together, I would be more than happy to unlock some doors for you. Go to my website, see what homes are available, go to open houses, see what you like, and then give me a call and let's find you that dream home. All right, bye guys.